Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum class. Welcome to English grade 8 video lecture series. I'm your instructor Zia Hamid. I hope that you are doing great. Students, let's get started and be ready for today's lecture. Today we are going to talk about our lecture number 5B from unit 11 called Overpopulation Dilemma. So in the introductory lecture I have talked about this chapter. We have gone through the theme overview and other things. So I hope that till now you have read the chapter and understood it completely. So this is our students learning outcome today, where we will talk about writing arguments. Now, since this is about writing, so take out your notepads, your stationery, so that we can practice it. Students, the SLO says, write arguments to support claims with clear reasons and relevant evidence. So here we have these four terminologies: arguments, claims, reasons, and evidence. Let's see how these terms are defined and how they are working together and how they are different, so that we can write arguments. So this type of writing is called argumentative writing, and you can also write another a type of essay that we call argumentative essay. So students, let's get started. Here is your vertical linkage, and for the brainstorming we have a prompt. So be ready for this. Let's see that how you can present your argument and how you can give reasons. So the question is, what is your favorite subject in school? Let's say it's English or mathematics. So choose your subject, write one reason why you like it, and give one example to support your reason. So students, the answer, for example, if I say my favorite subject is chemistry, so this is a claim. Now I have to give reasons, justify it, that why do I like chemistry. So give reasons. For example, if your favorite subject is English, now write one reason why you like it and give one example or one evidence to support your reason. So why do you like this subject, and explain it so that it is very well said and it is presented well. So we make a claim that I like this or something is happening. So I give a statement that is a claim, and I present my evidence and give reasons as well. So this is what we are going to incorporate in our argumentative writing. We will propose, we will write an argument, we will give some reasons, and we will also provide some evidence that why I'm saying is connected with my claim. So do this activity quickly so that you can get started. Now students, let's see what is a claim. This is the first term that you need to understand. A claim is an assertion that something is true. If you say that cats are better pets than dogs, this is a claim. Cats are, or cats make better pets than dogs. So this is a claim. Now we need to justify it with reasons. So this is our claim. A reason tells why the claim is made and is supported by the evidence. Let's say you say that cats are fluffy, they are little, they are cute, etc. So you are presenting your reasons, and evidence is the facts or research to support your claim. So you can say that cats are clean, they are playful, while dogs are messy, they smell bad, and they are violent, etc. You are giving evidence to support your claim that cats make better pets than dogs. And then you say, I like cats, I have kept a cat last year and I enjoyed it, I pet it, and we had a very good bond or relationship. So this is your reason, but now you have to give evidence. So you can compare these two things, these two animals or pets together, and present your evidence according to some research. So this is what we call claim, evidence, and reasoning. So this whole thing is called an argument, because an argument has a claim, it has a reason and evidence. So students, now an argument, which is our term we need to understand, is usually a main idea, often called a claim or thesis statement, backed up. But this is not only a claim or thesis statement, but it is having lot of backup with evidence that supports the idea. So any statement that you make that is having a claim, evidence, reasons, all of it is called an argument. Now students, let's talk about argumentative writing. So just like there are different types of writings, persuasive writing, argumentative writing, descriptive writing, similarly there are different essays in the same categories. So we have persuasive essay, argumentative essay, we have descriptive essays, expository essays, etc. So let's see if you remember that an argumentative essay is a writing piece meant to persuade someone to think the way you do. So you argue with them with evidence, with logic and reasons, so that they agree with your viewpoint and they get persuaded, so that they can think like the way that we do. Its author must prove the claim with evidence and reasons. So what do we have in an argumentative essay? We make a claim, then we give evidence and reasons that why I am saying this claim, why am I claiming this. So give evidences, give reasons to make your argument strong. So now students, I hope we are clear about all these different terms. All of them serve together in your argumentative essay. Let's see. Claim is what you are trying to prove, and reason is why your claim is valid, why your claim is justified. And argument is the overall structure or presentation of your claim, reasons and evidence. And evidence is the factual proof. You give scientific research, evidences, you give references of different research articles, papers, of different statistics and facts, and you present data that backs up your reasons. So this is what we call evidence. So now let's understand with an example. So here is a claim. Water in a wide, shallow dish evaporates faster than in a narrow, deep glass. So we have a dish and a glass. So water in a wide, shallow dish evaporates faster. It evaporates faster rather than it is in a small, narrow glass. This is a claim. So now this is not enough. We need some reasons. We need evidence. So in a classroom, what can we do is we can take these two different dishes. We can take a dish and we can take a glass, and we can perform an experiment. The wide dish's water level dropped faster over a week. So we observed that in a dish, if we leave it in open area, a shallow dish with water and a narrow glass, it takes a week for the dish to evaporate all of the water. So hence it proves that our claim is right. Now we have to give some reasons. This process is called reasoning. Let's see how it goes. So a large surface area exposes more water to air accelerating evaporation. This is our reason. And furthermore, we have also performed an experiment to show that how factually and in reality it works. So we made a claim, we gave reasons, and we gave evidence. So hence our argument becomes valid and justified. So students, over here we have a small passage. We will break it down in claims, reasons, and evidence. First, let us read it out. Exercise improves mental health because it releases endorphins, chemicals in the brain that naturally enhance mood. A study published in Psychology Today found that individuals who exercise regularly saw a 25% decrease in depression and anxiety symptoms, proving that physical activity positively impacts mental well-being. So, let's see what is our claim. Exercise improves mental health. We are making an assertion, we are claiming this. Now, the rest of the sentences are the reasons. Exercise releases endorphins, which are chemicals in the brain that act as natural mood boosters. So, when the endorphins are released, our mood gets better and we get happy. This is our reason. But that is not enough. We have to give an evidence. So, according to a study published in Psychology Today, individuals who engaged in regular physical activity experienced a 25% reduction in symptoms of depression. So, people who exercise regularly, according to an experiment that was published, so people who were doing exercise regularly than other people, they were feeling 25% less reduction. They are much happier and they have less tension or stress in the mind. So, we gave evidence for our claim as well. We provided reason and also an evidence. So, in the same way, students, you make a claim, give your evidence and reasoning, and this is how we can say that you have written a very good argument piece or argumentative essay or passage. Now, for the classroom activity now, students, it's time to practice your argumentative writing skills. We have to write an argumentative essay in which you analyze the effects of overpopulation on various aspects of life and present a well-supported argument about its solution. Now, start with a simple introduction to overpopulation and why it matters. Write what you think about overpopulation and what you will talk about in the essay. You will make claims and then you can follow all these different instructions. Now, students, effect of overpopulation. So, if I say that overpopulation has a very big impact on economy, this is a claim. Now, I have to give reasons that why am I saying this and provide evidence. So, we have to do a research. So, we can consult a science book, we can consult a chapter about overpopulation, we can also take help from the internet, or we can communicate with our teachers so that we can collect some evidence according to their understanding and their knowledge. So, with collaboration, we can research about the topic and then we can write arguments claiming about our claims so that our purpose of writing arguments is fulfilled. So, I hope, students, that you will enjoy doing this classroom activity and write an argumentative essay. Coming up next, we have a project according to the topic overpopulation awareness. So, what you're going to do is research overpopulation, focusing on its reasons, impacts, and proposed solutions. Collect key facts, create a brief presentation, include sections on causes, effects, and solutions, and then you can present your findings to the class on the very next day, that what are your findings and what are the solutions that you found in order to tackle the problem of overpopulation. So, this is a project. Take your time according to the instructions of your teacher and present your project in the class the very next day or as you are instructed. So, here are some simulation links for additional information, and for the homework, write a persuasive essay arguing for or against one of the following topics. So you can either argue in the favor of this topic or against this topic. So should school start later in the morning? Is homework necessary? And should students be allowed to use cell phones in the school or in the classroom? So these are your prompts to think about, present your claim, provide reasons and evidence, and you can write a very good persuasive essay. And students, for the classroom, for the worksheet, we have attached a relevant page of worksheet for your understanding, and all these resources that you are seeing on the screen are available in the description of the video. You can access them easily, and you can test your knowledge and put your knowledge or learn lesson into practice. Now, all these resources, and then this is all about today's lecture, students. So we successfully achieved our learning outcome. I hope so, that we now understand how do we write an argumentative writing. I'll see you in the next video lesson. Till then, take care of yourselves and Allah Hafiz.